Okay, good evening, everyone. We'll start the class. I have miscellaneous questions today because most of the topics I have already solved. So I would like you guys to solve few miscellaneous questions. So the questions are on the screen. You should start solving. So 1B is right answer. Every number is repeated, and then we have subtracted 13. Then 2A is, look at here, this is -2, -5, -2, -5. Next would be -2, so 15. Question number 3, what's the answer? Question number 3, answer is D. So it is alternate series. So you can see 2 to 4 multiplied by 2. Then here you get, so if I write alternate numbers, I have 2, 4, 16, 256. And this series is 4, 8, 16. So this is multiplication by 2. So this would be 32. So that's the answer. Now let's go to another questions. Question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Question number 4, the answer is, let me check. So this looks like an alternate series. It is an alternate series. So what I can write 19, 14, 10, 7. So this is not for this, from this number. So I have 4, 7, 4, 7. Then I have 11. So I can remove this. So this is plus 3, this is plus 4. So next number would be plus 5. So it will be 16. Now this is 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 6, 90. 90 into 7, 630. 630 into 8. So now I'll have into 9. So it will be 45,360. So this is the answer. Now if you look at this number, B, C, D, E is coming. So it means that plus 1, y minus 1 is x, x minus 1 is w, and w minus 1 is b. So 6D is the answer. So that's the complete answer. Question 7. Question number 7. What's the answer? Give the answer. Okay, a lot of you are saying question number 7 answer is A. So question number 7 answer is not A, I think. Okay, let me check. So look at here. X is 24. O is 15. M and O. I is 9. And then E is 5. So this is minus 9. This is minus 6. This is actually, this should be F, guys. The question is wrong. So this should be F. If it could have been F, this could have been 6. So this is minus 3. And after this, the answer would have been F only. So this is not a right answer. So not a right question. So I'm just eliminating this question from the discussion. Let's go to question 8, 9, and 10. Question number 8 and 9, what's the answer? Question number 8, C, many people are saying. 9B, people are saying. So question number 8, if you look at it, it will give you a fair bit of idea. So this is this is 4, this is M is 13, so N O P Q is 17, G is 6 7, O is 15, J is 10, M is 13. So this looks like an alternate series. So this series is of this 4 7 10. So next would be 13. 13 is M. So 8C is answer. Now let's move to question number 9. Question number 9 is, this is 2, this is 4, G is 7, then JK is 11. So we can understand that this is plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 11 plus 5 would be equal to 16. At 16, M N O P. So answer is P out here. And this is nothing but V is um, R is 18. So S is 19, T is 20. RST. U is 21, V is 22. So 22, 18. O is 15, then K is 11. So we can see that it's a series of minus 4, minus 3, minus 4. So next number should be minus 3. So minus 3 means 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 is H. So answer would be H here. So that's the answer. What's the answer? So question number 11, you guys are saying me that it's answer C, and question number 12, you guys are saying me uh, A. If you are saying 12C, so look at here. It's so try to understand. Look at here. If you look at the first letter out here, so it is B D F. So this is 2, 4, 6. So next number would be 8. So it is H, and S T U V. So S T U alphabetical order. Next would be V. So H V 11 C is right answer. Let me go to 12. So if you look at here, C is 3, H is 8. So 3 plus 5, 8. If and R is 18, so I can understand that 8 plus 18, so here it should be 13. So 13 is M. So first letter is M. Second one is M. M is 13, R is 18. And this is, I have told you that after 26, A would be 27, B would be 28. So you see that B28 is coming from 18. So next number should be 23. So what is 23? 23 is T is 20. So T is if T is 20, UVW. So MW. So MW, there is only one option, option A. So 12A is answer. And 13. So 13, if you look at here, it tells me that one second. Let me remove this and let me solve 13. So 13 is has been written as, look at here. So let me write it MNOPQ. So 17, Y is 25, and W is 23. So G is what? 7, 5, and 3. M is, look at here. M is 13, K is 10, K is 11, and I is 9, and S is RS 19, Q is 17, and O is 15. So, what should be the answer? So, so I have problem only with this QYW. I don't think this is a right option, QYW. If you look at here, this is a series of alternate numbers. So 7, 5, 3 in reverse order. 13, 11, 9, 19, 17, 15. But this 17, x y z 25, this is not in order, so I don't think this should be here. And if you look at here, ZXW is 26, 24, and 23. So this cannot be my answer. BZW also cannot be my answer, because from 26 it's going to, so it's 28, 26, and 23. So not in exact order. USQ. So U is 21, this is 19, and Q is 17. So 13C is my answer. So USQ is my answer, given that QWI should not be here. QYW is not matching. Solve question number 14. Yeah, if it is AYW, I can understand. So, so question number 14, I start putting the options here. So if I write option A, so I write B, then BAA is here. Then I write A, and then two A's are here. Then I again write A, and BA. So what is this? BB, five times A, B, A, double A, BA. No pattern I have been getting here. So this is gone. Let's go to fifth option. So second option. So AB, A, and then I get B, A, B, then I get A, B, A. So this is ABA, 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 ABA. So this should be my answer. So 14B is the answer. Now let me go to question number 15. Solve question number 15, 16, 17. Have you done it? Okay. So what you are giving me answer for 15, 16, 17 is 15 you are giving me A, 16 you are giving me A, and 17 you are giving me B. So okay, let me check the options out here. The options are 15 you are giving me A. 15A is correct. So most all of you have given 15A, so I'm not solving it. 16 you have given me A. All of you have given me A, so that is also correct. 17 you have given me B, so that is also correct. So let me go to next question. Question number 18, 19, 20. What answer you have been giving me for question number 18, 19, 20? 18 you have been giving me B. Okay, 19 I have got C and A as answer, and 20 I'm getting all type of answer A, D. Okay, so these, so 19 and 20 I'll have to solve because I'm getting different answers. So 18 you are giving me answer B. So 18B is right. There is no problem. 19, let me solve it for you. So question number 19. So question number 19, if I put it here, I get, if I put A here, so I get one diamond and two leaves. Then I put it here, I get one diamonds and two leaves. Then one diamond, one leaf. Then two. A is not giving me anything. Second one, if I put one diamond, one leaf, and one diamond, one leaf, and one diamond, then I get one diamond, one leaf, and one heart. And then heart, leaf, heart, and this doesn't give me anything. So if I put it here, one diamond, one leaf, and one heart, one diamond, one leaf, and one heart. I have one diamond, one leaf, and one heart here. So I should get a diamond here. So I have a diamond here. So one diamond, one leaf, and one heart, and I should get a leaf here. So C is my answer. So 19C is the answer. And question number 20, find the odd word out. So tall, huge, um, thin, small. So I think sharp should be the answer, because tall, huge, thin, small is about size of anything. So these are all related words. Sharp is not related to size. So question number 20, the answer is D. Now let me move to question number, solve 21 and 22 and 23, and you have to find odd one out. So for 21 also you have to find odd one out. So 21 to 23, find odd one out. Okay, so I'm getting 21 answer as A, 22 answer people are giving D, and 23 answer people, few people have written A, few people have written, I mean most of you have written B. So let me just check it for you. So chicken, snake, swan, crocodile. So except chicken, everything stays in water. So here answer is A. So this answer is A. Cap, turban, helmet, hat. So here answer would be D, because everything except whale is over the head. Kiwi, eagle, emu, and ostrich. So eagle can fly, nothing else can fly. So this is the odd one out. So 23 option is B. So let's go to question 24 and 25. So 24 you are giving me D, and 25 you're giving me C. 24 Rigved, these are the name. 24 would be D because all other four are name of four Vedas um, of Hindu mythology. And question number 25, curd, butter, oil, cream. So it would be oil because all other uses milk. So 24 and 25 is done. Now let's go to question. So read the question first. From 26 to 29, you have to find odd one out. 26 to 29, I am writing here. Okay, the answer you have been giving me for 26 is E. Very good. 27, you have been giving me A. So 27A is also correct. So 26, why the option is E? Because only in this case equal number of Two different matchsticks are here. So one you have um, white and one black. In question number one, two, three, four. Yes, in question number 27, all other have at least or one open figure. In A there is no open figure, so that's the answer. Now let's move to question number 28 and 29. It remains same. You have to find the odd one out and solve 30 also. So give me answer of three questions or leave 30. Solve 28 and 29. Okay, the answer you have been giving me for question number 8, 28, and 29 is okay, you have given it for 30 also. So 28 you are saying that it's C, and 29 you are saying that it's B or D. A lot of you are saying either B or D. And question number 30 you are saying 981 and 693 or something. Okay, no issues. Okay, so I'm waiting for question number 30 and then I'll start. So question number 28, if you see, and if you look at this arrow is to the left here of dot, arrow is to the left of dot here, arrow is to the left of dot here, arrow is to the left of dot here, here arrow is to the right of dot. This is right movement, or you can say it is anti-clockwise here, anti-clockwise here, anti-clockwise here, and ACW here. Here only it is CW. So that's why the option is C. Question number 29, there was a lot of confusion. So 29 option is, so if you look at here, uh, if you look at this figure, um, so two figures are towards same, two curves are towards same side. Similarly, two curves are on the same side. Here, two curves are not, one second. Do we have two curves here, two adjacent curves? So yes, so this is not the case. Here two adjacent curves are towards same side, two adjacent curves are towards same side, two adjacent curves are towards same side. Here two adjacent curves are not towards same side. So this is odd one out. So 29 answer is B. Now let's go to question number 30. So question number 30, 6 square is 36 and 3 square is 9. Together it becomes 369. 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25. So this becomes 425. So this will become 3 square is 9 and 9 square is 81. So this becomes 981. Let's go to question number 31 now. Question number 31 is very easy. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. So 9 square would be answer. So this you don't need to solve. Solve question number 32. I'm writing option D and option C is 20, D is 14, and E is 16, I think. Yes, 14 and 16. Okay, what's the answer? Question number 32 you have been giving. Question number 32 you are giving me answer D. So question number 32, the answer is D. There is no doubt about it. Sum of the two numbers at the top is divided by 2. So 7 plus 5 divided by 2 is 6. 5 plus 21 divided by 2 is 13. And so this has to be 24 plus 20, sorry, 24 plus 4 divided by 2. So 28 divided by 2 is 14. So answer is D. So this is the answer. Now let me move to another questions. Solve question number 33 and yeah, question number 33. And in this 4 into 4 square, how many number of squares would be there? 33. Okay, so what answer you have been giving me is question number um, 33 is B, and question number 34 you are saying 30 squares. So 33 is B and 34 is 30 squares. So question number 33 is absolutely right. So 16 square, this is minus 7 square. 256 minus 49 is 207. Absolutely right. 12 square minus 8 square. So 144 minus 64 is 80. So 25 square minus 21 square. So which is 625 minus 441. So this gives me nothing but 16. So 184 is my answer. So answer here is 184. Now let me go to the question number 34. And in question number 34, so try to understand. So in this question, I just mark it. So A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So simplest squares are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 4, 16. So 1 into 1, I have taken 4. Now let me take 2 into 2. So which have 4 components. So I have 1 out here, then 2 out here, then 3 out here, then 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. So with 2 I have 9. So with 3 I'll have 4. 1, then 2, and then come below 3 and 4. So I'll have 4, and with 4 I'll have 1. So this gives me 30. So answer is 30. So let me go to another question, which is question number 35. Solve this. Okay, what's answer you are giving me? You are giving me answer. Someone is saying 35C, someone is saying 35D. So which one should I trust? Um, okay, so 35 answer is okay. Let's calculate. Let's write it down. So let's make a habit of um, giving it. So suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, E, F, G, and H. So let's write down quadrilaterals. Let's start from this is D. Let's start from writing down the most obvious ones. So first one is ABCD, and second one is, if you look at here, you take, how I calculate is I take two of them common. So from two I went to third, then fourth. Now I, what I do, I go to third one and check if there is any other possibility. So I don't find any other possibility with ABC. But if I look at here, I can find possibility ABDE. So I write ABDE. The third one is, again with AB it is possible, ABDF. Now with DF, why not ABDH? Because it stops here only. So in between only. So ABDH in place of F. Now with A and B, I have covered everything. Let me move here. So I have CDHA and CDFA. So CDHA, CDFA, and CDEA. So I have three here: CDHA, CDFA, and CDEA. So I have reached how many? Seven. Now with C, have I completed everything? So C, everything is completed. Now let's go to D. Now I'm moving in clockwise direction, so you don't need to go anti-clockwise now. Let's start from D. So I have 8 as D, E, A, G, 9 as D, uh, E, F, A, and I have question 10th one as F, or I can write it as from D only. So I can write it D instead of, I can write DHAG, and I can write 11th one as, sorry, as DFAG. So these are the 11. From E, and F cannot be taken because these points have already been included. So there would be 11. And anyway, I have got 11, so I don't need to check because the option is 11. So option here would be 11. Let's me go to question number um, 36. And I think we have solved this question previously. So let me go to question 37 and then solve. Question number 37. Few of you are saying D and few of you are saying C. So let me just check. So question number 37. How many triangles? So this question is about calculating triangles. Once you calculate triangles, uh, you should know that once the triangle is calculated properly, the option can be ticked. So look at here how many triangles are possible. Now here squares also have to be taken care of. Okay. So how many triangles? Let me mark it. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, K, and suppose this is O. So let me find out the simplest triangles. So simplest triangles would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 I have got automatically. Now this is from one component. From two component, how much I'll get? So try to understand, if I match these two 1, these two 2, 3, 3, then I have these two here 4, 5, and here 6, then here 7, 8, and yes, this one 9. So with two components I have 9. So I'm saying this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9. So I have made 9 lines. It means that I am adding these two triangles. So 9 over there. So I have already got 21. Now can I add three components? So I can add three components. No, I cannot add any three components. I'll have to add four components. So if I add four components, one is here 1, second one is here 2, then third one is like this 3, 4, then 3. So try to understand, one is here. So one part on this side I'm making lines here. So let me make it with different colors so that you can understand. One part is here, second part is here 2, and this, if I take this particular diagonal, so one above it and one below it, so 2. So 2 plus 2, and if I take this particular diagonal, one above it and one below it, so 2. So 6 out here. And if I and I have not taken this whole triangle, so this is 1. So anyway I'm getting 28 till now. So 28 is 1. I'm not saying this is the answer. Let me calculate the square. So square, I anyhow know that four simple squares are already there, one big square is there. So 4 plus 1, 5. And let me just erase it so that I can teach you square. So square, four simple ones are here, 1, um, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one square would be, so, and one square is here. the one I have been searching for. This is one square. So you know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so 4 here. This complete one is 1, and this one is the sixth square. So sixth square. So 28 and 6. This is the answer. So D is the answer. Now let me go to बहुत बदमाश. Okay, most of you are saying question number 38 is C. So question number 38 is, so for question number 38 I'll have to draw a few things. So suppose this is one line, and then I have another line here, and I have another line here. And then what I do is I start drawing horizontal lines. So I draw a line here, and then I draw a line here, then I draw a line here, and then I draw a line here. So now let me name it. Oh my god. Now let me name it, and if I name it, I'll name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So now I have to find out that if the centers of the also joined by, find the squares that can be formed. So we all know that in this particular figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares have already been formed. Now this is also a square. So this square is there, and then this square is there. So I have only 8 square, and 8 is anyway a highest number, so I don't need to search for more. So answer would be 8. Now let me move to, just read it. Solve till 41, and then I'll show you till 42 to 44. Okay, 39 you are saying it's D. 40 you are saying cannot be determined, and you are saying D. And 41 you are saying it's B. So okay, let me solve. Mm, so okay, if you have solve the other three questions also, 42, 43, and 44. So 8 persons are there, and A B C D E F G H, and they are sitting in two lines facing each other. So in each line I have four people. So there is one line like this, and there would be another line like this, and there would be four people. Oh my god, four people out here. So they are sitting here. So one, two, three, four here, and one, two, three, four here. And A is sitting between G and F, so it can be A, G, F, or G, A, F, something like this. And facing towards north, it means that they are facing on this side. And opposite to C, so opposite to A, it would be C, and C is between D and B. So C is between D and B, so it can be like this, or it can be like B, C, D. H is just right of D. So they are sitting here. So H is just right of D. So H has to be here. Try to understand. If H has to be here, then only it will be of right of D. So it is clear out here. H, D, C, B. Opposite to C, A is there. Now these places would be taken by F and G. So it will be GF or FG. So only one thing is left out. A, B, C, D, E is left out, so E would be here. So who is sitting just opposite to? Um, so so first answer is D. It is given in the question. Second answer is 40. Question number 40 is who is sitting just right of C. So right of C is D. So answer is 40. Answer is C. Question number 41, in which in which pair of the following second person is sitting at left of the first person? So where is it? Question number 41 to 44 is visible now. So question number 41, it's saying, let me not tick it so that you'll, um, let me also remove this. So this is not here. In which of the following, in which pair of the following second person is sitting left of the first person? So FA, I don't know whether FA is sitting because that place is not identified, has not been identified. ZA, now try to understand. EB is not a right answer. CD is second person is sitting to the right, so this is not the answer. Now FA or GA can be the answer. So this question I have a doubt. So let's not put it. If you take it as it has been written in the question, that try to understand. What I generally do is I don't take. Um, Generally, I make two cases, like A is sitting between G and F. So what it is assuming this, assuming here is between D and B, H is just right of G. Oh, H is right of G. So I have made the whole diagram only wrong. Oh my God. Okay, leave it. 1 second. Let me make the diagram correct. 1 second. So I've not read it properly. That's what happens. So A here, G, F, A here, F, G, and H is sitting right of G, so it can be like this only. So F, A, G, H, and C is here, and it is between D and B, so E would be here. So D can be here or B can be here. So here the answer is D. Question number 40. Who is sitting just right of D? Right of C, it can be BD or DB, anything it can be. And so here answer would be GA. And let me go to another questions. So let me first remove this. Okay, now let me go to the questions. Who among the following facing to the north? So facing to the north are FA, GH, so H would be answer. Which of the following were exactly facing each other? So CA are facing either. This is not the answer. DG cannot be said. FC cannot be said. So see what is happening. It is assuming here, guys. Try to understand the answer which has been given here is not exactly right. What they are assuming here is the line that they have written. They are assuming that this is B and this is D, because they are saying that C is sitting between D and B. So they are assuming this to be B and this to be D. So there is no other way to solve it. So I don't think this kind of question will help you in preparation. Okay, no issues. My fault. I could have not taken this. Question number 45, 46. Two questions. Quickly. Yeah, I know it's not given the specific position of B and D, but they are taking answers like that. That is why I have been saying that this question is not right. So needs to be corrected in either wordings, or we need to leave that question. That is why I didn't solve the last part of the question. Solve question number 45 and 46. Okay, what's the answer? Well, let me make a circle for this. So this is my circle and PQRSTU. So I have six people. Sorry, I should not start marking it. So I have six people. Um, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so P is not adjacent to Q and R. S is not adjacent. Q and R are adjacent. So let me make two circles out here. So let me make a circle out here also. And because what I generally do is, let me check whether the wordings are correct here or not. So Q and R are adjacent. So it can be like this, Q and R, or it can be R and Q. Now U is between R and S. So U is between R and S. So it means that U would be here and S would be here. Here U would be here and S would be here. Now P is not adjacent to Q and R. So P cannot be here. So P would be here and then T would be here. So this suffices my case. Now P is not between Q and R, so P would be here in this case, and T would be here. Yes. So now let's find out which of the following is a correct pair of neighbors. P and U are not in any case. S and U are there. Q and T are there here. Q and T are there here. S and U are here, S and U are here, R and U can never be the case. Now I have, one second, S and U are anyway neighbors. So if S and U has been given, this is the case, but why not Q and T? So this is also the right answer here. Which of the following is in the right sequence? P U Q. So P U Q is not the QRU is right sequence everywhere. So answer would be QRU. So here B and C both are right and here C is right. So that's the answer. So let me now go to 47 and 48. Okay, what answer you have been giving me? 47 you are saying it's D, and 48 you are saying that it's C. So 47 is D and 48 is C. So okay, I'm not solving these questions. Solve question number 49 and 50. What you have to find out? You have to find out, fill in the blanks. So 14, this is 49 and 50. Just solve it. So 49 answer is C, and 50 answer is B. You have been giving me. So both answers are correct, 49C and 50B. So solve question 41 to 43 now. 51 to 53, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 51, most of you are saying D. 52 also you are saying D. So both the answers are correct. Plus 3 sequence in 51. And you know it's like first, third letter. So 52 is also D. So that's not a problem. Let's go to 53. 53 also is D. So okay, you are getting it correct. Good. You are making my job easy. Question 54. Question 54. Those who are not understanding, I am solving for them. So J is becoming N. J is 10 and N is 14. So it is plus 4. U is 21 and U is becoming X. X is 24. So this is plus 3. N is 14 and P is 16. So it is plus 2 and E is 5 and F is 6. So plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So S is 19. So plus 4 would be 23. So 23 is W. T is 20. 20 plus 3 would again be 23. So W. So A is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is C. So WWC. So WWC is only one option, which is A. So I don't need to solve for the other one. So let me go to question number 55. So solve 55 and 56. So 55, you have been saying that the answer is D. One of them has said it's C. And 56, you are saying D, B, all these things. So let me check it. 55 answer is actually D. So it say that Dungo Hui Muljo, wonderful name. Dungo Hui. I just love these questions just for the sake of we have this kind of no names. So Dungu Hui Muljo is work is very hard. Okay. Hui, not Dungo, it's Dugo. And Hui, Dugo is Bingo is very smart. See, it's is it we have to find it out for bingo, right? So where all bingo is coming? Bingo is coming here. Bingo is very smart. So it has to be of Joe cannot be answer. Jalu cannot be answer. So it can be Dugo Baki. Where else bingo is coming? So um, C is Nalo Mul Dugo. So cake is hard and Dugo is here and Dugo is here. So it's for hard. So I think no, it's for it can be for is also and Mul Ki Q. So here only Mul is coming and here both in both of them hard is coming. So Mul is for hard and then Dugo would be for is. So Dugo is and Mul is so Dugo cannot be answer. Now Mul is for hard. So Mul is for hard. So Nano is for cake. Anyway, cake is not coming here. So Ki Q. So here what is coming? Mul Jo Dugo. So it has to be Ba is anyway not here. So no. So 1 second. Where is Ki coming? So Ki and Ba are coming here, and Ki is coming here. So is very smart and smart. So key would be for smart. So key cannot be the answer. So ba would be answer. So question number 55, ba is answer. Question number 56, a lot of you gave me answer D. D is the right answer. So pick week Nick. So winter is cold. To Nick Ray. So it means that Nick is common and winter is cold and summer is hot. So I can write that Nick is for is and here pick is coming. So winter is common here. So pick is for winter. So then week is for cold. I have to find it for summer, right? So I have to um, ray pick boo and wick is for cold. So cold is wick here and summer is hot. So try to understand this tonic ray and is anywhere ray is coming tonic ray and ray are common here. So this is summer is hot and summer is hot. So summer is common. So it would be D. So 56 answer is D. So let's go to question number 57. We'll solve till question number 60 and then we will take a break. Too much of problem solving. So you are saying 57 is A and 58, few of you are saying B and few of you are, one of you are saying D. So 57 is definitely A and 58 is B. So let's go to 59 and 60 and then we'll stop. Stop means we'll stop. Okay, question number 59, you are giving me answer 59A. So 59A is right answer. Question number 60, what answer you are giving me? No answer you are giving. Okay, should I scroll down? Yes, I'll scroll down. So question number 60. Hey, Arb, what are you doing? Why are you giving answer 5 6 times? No spamming. And why did you ask somebody that who is Amit D and all these things? When I am not asking, why are you asking? I know who he or she is. Nobody will ask anyone who he or she is on the chat. It does not need to be a person who you know. It can be anyone who would be joining the class. Question number 60, answer is B. Let me solve it and then finish off the class. A river flows from west to east. So it is flowing from west to east, and on the west, so here, turns left, goes in a semicircle round a hillock. Acha, here only it goes in a semicircle and then turns left at right angle. So here only there is an turns in a semicircle like this, and then turns left. Here there is a turns in a semicircle. Okay, 1 second. Turns left and around a hillock, and then turns left at a right angle. So it has come here, flow of the river. So it turns left at right angle. 1 second. Turns left at right angle. So this is east. So what is happening over here is this question is a bit tedious, this word wise. So our river flows from west to east. So this is like here. On the west, turns left and goes in a semicircle. So कुछ semicircle ऐसा बनता होगा. No, 1 second. This is not semicircle. This is full circle. 1 second. And then turns at a right angle. So it will go in the east direction. So answer is B. So this is it. Enjoy, and we will keep on continuing this particular test paper next week, plus a lot of different questions, and plus in the nearby Saturday or Sunday, perhaps 7th July, we will plan a test for you. So be ready for that. Thank you so much. So thanks for joining.